Hey guys! Today is our 4th day here in Taiwan and sobrang maulan. Oh my god, pupunta pa naman kami sa Taichung ngayon. Sarap pang matulog. Si JP actually tulog pa. Tapos na akong maligo, mag-prepare, and bababa ako ngayon dahil bibili ako ng foods namin para medyo may laman naman yung tiyan namin before yung tour. Kasi sa experience namin kahapon sa North Coast Tour, parang dire-diretso siya. Wala kaming pahinga for lunch. So this is our fit for today. Grabe yung ulan sa labas. Anyways, malapit lang naman yung bibilan ko, so hindi na ako nagdala ng payong. Yeah. Only one. Thank you. So, nakabili na ako ng fruits, guys. Dito yung parang condiments. So, ito yung nabili ko, guys. Rice flour noodles. Actually, malapit lang talaga siya sa hotel namin. So, dito na ako bumili dahil walang masyadong tao. And also, sikat daw to at masarap daw. So, isa, nilagyan ko ng chili oil. Then, isa, wala. Then, si JP hindi mahilig sa spicy food. So, akin to. Yan. Tingnan na. Parang ganyan siya, guys. Parang siyang miswa. Ako, mahilig ako sa miswa. So, I think magugustuhan ko to. Itadakimasu. Hindi. Sarap siya. For me lang, ha. Mahilig kasi ako sa miswa, guys. And also, meron siyang mushroom ba to? Or chicken, I don't know. Kaso sobrang init niya. Yung lasa sa akin, manghang. Yung broth niya, sticky. And yung noodles niya, parang miswa lang talaga. Mahirap siyang i-scoop. Yan. Kasi nalalaglag. Bobo kasi siya, guys. Parang nagdikit-dikit. I mean. I think marami itong serving na to. Large to eh. Sarap. Chicken pala yung nandito. Akala ko mushroom. Hey guys! We're here at our meetup point already at Siemens Station, exit 5. Diyan lang yung meetup point for Taichung Tour. So, ito yung tour guide namin, guys. Yung babae na may dalang red flag. Actually, dumating kami mga 10 minutes before the departure time.
Maganda. Umaga. Yo. Today, have American friends and a Filipino friend join my Taichung tour. So first, did you fasten your seatbelt? Yes. Yes, TIPS. Here have a TIPS.
Time check, it's 12 noon. Bale, galing kami ng Siemens Station 10 a.m. And nakalating kami dito 12. So bali 2 hours ang biyahe dito guys. So magla-lunch muna kami guys before gagala. So ito yung order namin. May chicken, veggies, may pork. Taking the view now. So 15 minutes na lang guys. At pupunta pa kami ng Sunflower. So this is the Sunflowers. Tapos na time namin dito guys, so babalik na kami sa bus. Alis na daw. Tara na!
Nanawag na si Lily. Kaya sa diyan.
Tapos na kami sa flower market guys. And now papunta na kami sa Rainbow Village. Hey guys, we're here at Rainbow Village. Pero bawal na makapasok dahil Monday. Parang close daw siya every Monday. So ito siya guys. Can you feel? Tanaw din. Rainbow.
Ay, yung video na ito.
Let's go. Although very colorful yung Rainbow Village guys, there's a sad story behind all these paintings. Actually, Rainbow Papa, the first artist of Rainbow Village, is actually a military veteran or retiree, I think. Siya ang unang nag-paint sa Rainbow Village guys, in commemoration of those veterans, military, and those in service. Pagbalik nila ng village, wala ng family, or kaya may iba ng asawa. Just the thought of being away from your family. So, ito yung story behind ng Rainbow Village guys. As you can see, maraming mga painting ng mga bata, mga family.
Most expensive area in Taipei City, Ximending-Zhongzha in Taiwan. Most expensive. It's okay, life only must enjoy.
So now, we're at the original store of bubble tea.
Please take up your order.
Sarap. Actually, I like this. Hindi masyadong matamis. This one is libre ng tour guide namin daw. Lumihan ka. Hey guys, we're now at Miyahara, famous for its ice cream. So yan yung isang branch. But now guys, pupunta kami sa isang branch ng Miyahara na parang pwede daw mag-dine in and pwede pumasok. JP! 8, 7.
From this way, the fun day is straight line. Show me your number. Okay. Why don't you go to there, take a picture? $1 decoration. It's real money. You got another listen.
Another picture.
Big job money.
1, 2, again, 1, 2, 3.
Do you know how to take a picture?
I don't know.
Let me help you.
Yeah.
Come. Good picture, come to there. Go. Yeah.
Yes. What's cheesecake though?
This cheesecake.
What's the topping?
Cheesecake though.
This one. Oh, you already ordered one cheesecake. How about my
Is it free?
Very free.
Okay.
Cheese big one. That's no.
What do you recommend?
There.
This one.
Free topping. You think in big bay eye and the eat half five. Which one? Okay.
So here's what we got here in Miyahara, guys. Cheesecake, salted caramel. I see salt caramel, and mango, and I don't know.
My strawberry at
Yeah, parang strawberry. And also this,
With
parang
cheese.
siyang bear, ano tawag niya?
Cookie.
Butter cookie na bear. Ito na
Butter.
Ay, kung butter mo masira. So try natin yung mango nila, guys.
So, it's yung mango carabao na hino.
Yeah. Sarap, sobrang fresh. And this one, hindi siya ano, parang melon siya.
Masarap ang sea salt. Masarap
Melon
ang sea salt.
to. Hindi siya,
Yung sea salt, the best.
what time daw babalik doon? 3:45? Sarap ng sea salt caramel. I'm gonna eat this bear. I'm so sorry, bear.
Leather, almond.
Ang sarap. After the Miyahara, we're now going to Gaume Wetlands. And 50 minutes pa daw siya. So we'll just take a nap. And hopefully later doon sa Gaume Wetlands, hindi na maulan. Kasi para maganda yung pictures namin at mas maganda daw yung sunset doon, guys. We're now at Gaume Wetlands. So it's already 5 p.m. and we got 1 hour here to take photos and explore. So by 6 p.m. babalik na kami ng Shiman. 2 hours daw from here. So kailangan namin makabalik on time or else baka iwanan kami. They're very strict with time. So kailangan namin magmadali. So ito yung view dito, guys. Parang siyang Ilocos. I don't know if you can see, may mga windmills here. Yan. May mga windmills. So, doon pa yata yung spot na maganda. 1.5 2 portrait video 1 times 2 2 sub 2 portrait. Drawing my pain with his finger, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Dari man yung view. Killing me softly with his song. Finally, we're done here at the wetlands and papunta na kami sa pickup point. So, time check, it's 5:41 p.m. Meron pa kaming 20 minutes for mag-CR, pamper ourselves, or mamili ng pasalubong. Do you like the place?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Actually, I like this tour. Very chill. Tapos, may nakita pa akong mga heron. Heron ba yan? Yan, oh. Sobrang cute. Buti na lang hindi umulan. Actually, this whole tour, parang ano lang, ambon-ambon, hindi umulan. My God, thank you Lord. Yeah, walang masyadong hangin. Thank you Lord. At ang galing din ng ano namin, ng tour guide. So, if you want to book this tour, guys, this Taichung tour, I will just put here the link. And also flash here the tour that I booked. Hey guys, tapos na kami sa wetlands and now we're going back to Shimen Station and hopefully hindi malate si JP kasi 2 hours daw yung biyahe. So probably abot kami doon mga 8 to 8 something. Yeah. Yung ano niya login is 8:30 and maglalagin daw muna siya bago kami kakain sa labas. Time check, it's 8:25 and we're now back at Shimanding. Yeah, we made it on time at makakapag-login pa si JP. And good thing na walang ulan. So tapos na mag-login si JP, guys. So ngayon, lumabas kami ulit. And maghanap kami ng pagkain. Sobrang ganda ng Shimanding kapag walang ulan, guys. Very alive yung streets and the lights is giving. Dere ko ni palit oh. Rice flour noodles. Diyan ako bumili kanina ng foods. Yung masarap. Hey guys, dito kami ngayon sa Nasi Ayam. Para siyang chicken rice na sobrang mura lang, tabi ng 7-Eleven. So, price ranges from $125 to $200. So, ito yung store niya. Yan yung search nyo na lang. So, ito na yung order namin, guys. This is chicken with meatballs. Meron din siyang tofu, egg, cabbage. Yan. That's laki din ang serving. For only 165, di ba? For only 165, laki ng serving.
Yan sa mga tuwiran guys.
Yup. Paano sa mga? Kasi sa mga it's for about 60 from like 2,000. Itadakimasu. Tara. Sarap. Sarap yung sauce ng chicken nila. Yung chicken sobrang tender. Sarap yung chicken. Like veggies. Sarap, parang bilisa. So, tapos na kami kumain, guys. We're going back to our hotel. Bibili ka pa ng coffee? Why?
Mag-work.
So, dito ako ngayon sa Taiwan Souvenir, guys. Ang dami din pasalubong dyan. Siguro ito yung competition ng Mr. Ho. Ang dami din murang pasalubong dyan sa Taiwan Souvenir, guys. Sabi ng babae na buy 4, get 1 free daw. Any type of pasalubong.
Tagpila. Yung mga keychain. Sabi natin milk tea.
Yeah, meron silang
Kapila.
parang milk tea. Ang dami kasi hindi ko natandaan. Kahit 10 p.m. guys, marami pa rin pila dito sa Xing Futang. Our last stop for today is random milk tea shop in front of our hotel. Miss Choices. Yan. So, nandun si JP guys. Maganda pa dito guys is niranking nila yung mga bestseller nila ng mga drinks. Try lang. Sarap, OA.
Kami, sabi. Namay naman. Ayun siya dagan na kay.
Noong. Parang siyang may, yung tawag niyan? Parang siyang carbonated drink. Let's go! So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and for tuning in our Taichung tour and a mini food trip in Ximending. So this is our 4th day here in Taiwan. See you tomorrow, our last day. Bye! Hey guys, time check, it's 1:20 a.m. and nagutom daw si JP. Napupunta daw kami ng 7-Eleven and this 7-Eleven is Hello Kitty themed. Let's go. Is this safe? Yung ginagawa natin. Okay lang ba to? So finally guys, after 9-minute walk, nandito na kami sa Hello Kitty themed 7-Eleven store dito sa Taiwan. Let me show you. Kita nyo ba guys? So cute, di ba? We'll cross the street na guys. Ay, wait lang. Diba? Super cute. Grabe, very on theme talaga yung store na to guys. Pati yung ceiling nila naka Hello Kitty. Diba yung design ng ceiling nila? Yan dito. Yeah, Hello Kitty. And then yung walls. Ang daming Hello Kitty. Tapos Hello Kitty na counter. Super cute. Diba? And may mga gamit din na Hello Kitty dito, guys. Tulad nitong pouch. Ano to? Parang face mask na Hello Kitty. Yeah, super cute. May luggage pa na Hello Kitty. Oh. Finally, we're back in our hotel. Good night, everyone.
10楼到了，开门中，现在上楼。
Fully booked.